Do you want to force reset your Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Factory reset using buttons. To force reset, first disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. Press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them until the Amazon logo appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-register your device with your Amazon account. Once reset, you can customize your device settings and preferences as needed. Method 2. Factory reset using voice command. You can also force factory reset using Alexa voice command. To do that, you can simply say Alexa factory reset the device. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the reset process. Method 3. Factory reset without password. If the device is registered to another account and you don't know the password, try entering an incorrect password 5 times. After 5 failed attempts, the device should automatically turn off. Then it should automatically reboot and initiate a factory reset process. Once the device has rebooted, it will be in its factory default state. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up like a new device. And there you have it, the method to force reset on Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.